bros, it's me, Big Pezza. We're out at Mr. Fish today. We're on the Cubs. Let's go. Buy my merch.
You've got me in the background going like this.
Happy clappy time, and we're good. Right, so got Mr. Fish behind me. We're out on the Cubs. We are going to Lumi's Motor Cafe. It's going to be a bit of a ride, but I'm sure we'll be fine. I've got the sat-nav on, but I'm not going to follow it. It's just because at a certain point my brain's got this blank space, so it'll end up rerouting it, also calculating to home. So I don't want to do that. It's just there to remind me that at a certain point I need to make a left or a right or wherever it is. Custom Cub's doing alright. My exhaust hasn't fallen off recently. Fell off a couple of times. Came loose. So I think 3 times it's fallen off. But I finally got to a point now. I was out with Pete the other day and finally got to a point now where it actually stays on, which is good. We want to go left here. Is my camera still on? Yes. And we're in the country roads. It's not... Is this custom Cub any faster than a standard C90? No, it's probably not. Oh. I think I was meant to go right there. No, I wasn't. I'm going the correct way. That's fine. Sat-nav says that I was meant to go right back there, but I know better. I know better. I might go back to the original seat though. I'm on this horrible little brown thing at the moment and it's really not very nice. Into a 40. Just where we want to be. That's where a Cub wants to be, in the 40. You've got enough power to do, well, everything really. We'll get to this petrol station, fill up, and then down to Lumi's. Oh, it's going to be the hottest day on record today, but we'll see how we go. Huh?
That's savage.
Still working.
Oh, it's down here, that screen protector's down there.
Yeah. I only put that on the other day.
What's it mounted in?
That.
A ram mount?
Yeah, but the suspension. Oh.
Ultimate add-on.
Huh? It's an armoured phone.
I might have a case at home, for my old iPhone, that might fit there.
But I take this one off road in that thing and it's never fallen off. I just hit.
Speed, that's what it was.
Yeah, the sheer speed. Blast.
I just saw it fly. Oh, your backlight does weird things.
Is it flashing?
It flashes when you indicate.
Yeah, because there's not enough power to power the indicators and the rear light.
Your indicators don't work.
They're not very bright. Okay. They do work, they're just not very bright.
Come on, when you brake every time.
I know it doesn't. There's not enough power. You have to be revving it to brake.
6 volt?
No, it's 12, but it's alternating current.
Oh, okay.
So, well, my phone's taken a hard whack, but it's still going, so. I have to order a new screen protector when I get home.
Yeah, it looks like the screen protector's taken the front of it.
Yeah. Always got. Still working. Far too modern.
Even when you stop.
It is. Let's get going again.
You don't trust this, do you?
Not always.
You check it like every 5 minutes.
I put it on there. I built the bike. Don't trust it at all. Has it? Ladies first.
It's already gone wrong.
10, 5, so it's 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 hours. So we've been riding together for today, I'd say about 6 of them hours. So yeah, I've had the 6 hours with Mr. Fish. Anyway, I just thought I'd mention also, thank you for the 2 people who bought my stickers. Now, you don't have to buy my stickers. You really don't. You could. Going straight. You don't have to buy my stickers. I'll probably, you know, if you see me in person, ask me for one, I'll give you one, no problem. But I put the stickers there now, and I put a price on them, and it's purely there, just in case anyone wanted to donate to the channel. That's, you know, a way of donating to the channel essentially. So if you did buy a sticker, you just donate to the channel and helping me fund my project bikes essentially. Number plate repaired. Is it? Alright, follow me then.
How long are you on this road for?
I don't know, I just keep going and then eventually I'll just pull off, flick my thing round. There we go, all done. Check out Mr. Fish's channel. Now it's a collectible. They stopped making them.
Don't forget to